Hi guys, it's me, Tech Jake, and today we're diving into something for the serious setup builders, the large venue projection nerds, and really anyone who's all about clarity, power, and reliability in a pro-grade package. This is the Panasonic PT-FRQ60 DLP projector, and if you're in the market for something that's not just high-res but rock-solid in performance and packed with long-lasting features, this might just be your next projector. So let's get right into it. Now when you look at this projector, the first thing you'll notice is, it's not trying to be compact or ultra-stylish. This thing is built like a tank in white. It's clean, industrial, and most importantly, functional. Whether you're mounting this on the ceiling, putting it on the floor, or setting it up for rear projection in a complex venue environment, it's versatile. Front, rear, ceiling, it doesn't matter. It's built to fit your configuration. What's powering it all is where things get more exciting. You've got a 3840 by 2160 resolution, that's true 4K UHD. So whether you're showing crisp data visuals, massive digital signage, or high frame rate video, it's all going to look clean, pixel sharp, and color accurate. And since it's DLP, you're getting consistent sharpness edge to edge with minimal pixel blur. It's made for performance. Brightness? 6,000 lumens. This means you're getting projection that cuts through ambient light like a knife. Classrooms, museums, conference halls, auditoriums, no need to black out the whole room to get a punchy image. It's laser-powered too, so you're looking at 20,000 hours of lamp life in normal mode, and it can go even longer depending on how you tweak the eco settings. That's near zero maintenance for years. But the PT-FRQ60 doesn't just stop at throwing out a bright, crisp image. It's rocking 240 Hz refresh rate support, which is just wild for a projector at this scale. That means smoother motion, especially useful in immersive exhibitions, high-speed gaming scenarios, or anywhere fluid motion is key. Not to mention the dynamic contrast of 20:0:0:1, so you're getting solid black levels and rich contrast even in more complicated viewing environments. One of my favorite underrated features? The lens shift and powered zoom/focus. You don't need to move the whole projector to get that perfect alignment. You just use the onboard settings or remote and dial in the picture exactly where you want it. It supports a range of lenses too, so if you need ultra-short throw, long throw, or something more custom, you're covered. Connectivity-wise, it's got all the usual suspects. HDMI, DisplayPort, LAN for control, and Digital Link, Panasonic's single-cable solution for AV and control signals over long distances. So for system integrators, this is plug-and-play ready for large AV ecosystems. In terms of sound, this is a projector made for external audio systems. There's no built-in speaker meant for home movie nights. But honestly, that's expected at this level. It's meant to be paired with proper PA systems or installed audio. This thing is a performer, not a boombox. Now let's talk about durability. The design includes Panasonic's dust-resistant architecture and sealed optics, so even in high-dust environments or around heavy foot traffic, you're not going to get lens degradation or internal overheating. It runs quiet too, for its class, and doesn't require frequent filter changes. Less downtime, less cost. Here's something that makes it future-proof. It supports HDR. That means the colors and contrast are not only sharp and accurate, but also dynamic and lifelike when fed HDR content. Pair that with 4K and 240 Hz and you have a recipe for some of the best-looking motion visuals available on a professional projector today. So who is this for? If you're a school, museum, business, or event space looking for a long-lasting 4K projection system that can run day in and day out, without sacrificing image quality or requiring constant maintenance, this is absolutely worth the investment. It's also ideal for creatives working in immersive spaces, think projection mapping, art installations, or VR environments where frame rate and precision matter. Even gaming exhibitions could benefit from the 240 Hz fluidity this projector brings to the table. Now look, this isn't a budget projector. It's not trying to be. It's built to deliver consistent results in tough environments, and when you factor in the zero bulb replacements for up to 20,000 hours, high brightness, flexible mounting, and true 4K output, the value becomes clear. I've tested a lot of projectors on this channel, from short throw setups to 4K laser monsters for the home. But the Panasonic PT-FRQ60 stands out because it's that rare combo of ultra-high-end performance and set-it-and-forget-it reliability. It's that kind of gear you install once and trust it for the long haul. So if you want to buy this Panasonic PT-FRQ60 DLP Projector 16:9 ceiling mountable, floor mountable, white 3840 by 2160 front, rear, ceiling 20,000 hour normal mode 24,000 hour extended mode, HDR compatible, 6,000 lumens, 240 Hz refresh rate. Then please visit the link provided in the description. And as always, if you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. I'll be hanging out there, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives like this. I'm Tech Jake. Catch you in the next one.